Hey guys, if you are looking for crypto mining, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today in this video I am going to just cover it that you are directly visit to the Greenhash official website for the cloud mining. Cloud mining is the simple way you can just mine your cryptocurrency very easily from your online platform only. So directly you can simply, you have to come here, you have to join this, and you have to choose the investment which you are like to interested, and you will get the amount of mined coins directly in your wallet. So it's a simple way. Preferred program Greenhash is also give you the platform to refer your friends and family to just involved in this mining chain, and directly you can just start your mining easily through this website. Try mining with Greenhash today and get your first profit within 24 hours. What are the investment? First of all, let I show you the packages of the investment. There are 2 months of packages, 4 months and 8 months. For the silver one, that is of 2 months, here you have to invest $5 and you will get the power of 588 gigahertz, and daily profit you will earn $0.11. This is our silver package. Now I am going to show you the $15 investment, which is for the 2 months only, and you will get a profit of 0.32 per day. There is another one, that is a gold. Here you are going to get a profit of 0.88 dollar daily in the for the 2 months, and you are going to get a power of 84823 gigahertz. There is a gold 2 package, which is a $90 investment for the 2 months. Every day you will get $1.79, and the hash power is 9823. Platinum, that is a gold. Here you will get a $5.08 investment of 255, and the energy you will get for the hash, that is a 27,941 gigahertz. Another one is a 490 investment, and you will get a 2 months time duration and daily $9.77, and the power of 53,684 gigahertz. Now last, here is a diamond one. It is also a, here is an investment of $1550. Here you will get a 2 months of time period, and daily you are going to get a $29.60, and the hash power is 1,62,699. The another one is 4,700 $700 investment of 2 months, and daily you will get $87.92, and the speed you will get 4,83,159 gigahertz. So this is all are the plans which is available in the Greenhash cloud mining. Directly you can just join it and just start your mining from your crypto wallet. So thanks for watching us. If you found best in anything, so just describe in the comment box. Bye bye, take care subscribers.